What's up, guys? This is David here. Hey, just wanted to give you a little bit of news about my Mustang. So, had the oil change for the first time recently, 6,800 miles, and guess what? It now has the infamous typewriter tick. Yes, the infamous typewriter tick. Sure as heck does. And this car has, I don't know, about I've driven it quite a bit since then. It's 7,800 miles, something like that. Brand new car still. But from what I've read with the TSBs, according to my research, it's not a problem. It's a characteristic of the car. And you can probably quieten it down with some sort of oil additive. So I'm taking the car into the dealer here in the next week or two, just to have that verified and checked out. I'll let you know what happens. But I don't think it's a big deal. I don't think it's a big problem. But as a demonstration, I will start the car and let you hear it for yourself. Okay, so you probably heard, I'm sure you heard the ticking. It's not too bad. Of course, the car is a little cool right now. When the car is hot, it ticks a lot more. It's much more prominent. The best place to hear it is the driver's side front wheel well. That's where you can hear it the most. And of course, when you're in a garage or at a drive-through, you can hear it very easily there. Otherwise, you can't hear it at all. You know, I've got a convertible, and you know, when I'm driving or sitting at a stoplight, you know, or a stop sign, I can't hear it. It's only when there's something close by to echo from, like, you know, like a drive-through, a wall, or a garage. Not too bad, but it does have it. The typewriter tick for the Mustang is real. It is not fake. It is a real issue, but it doesn't seem to be a real problem. It's just a characteristic of the car. But I'm going to let the dealer know and have them do their due diligence anyway, just to verify. All right, so that's the update there. Stay tuned, stay cool.